पंढरी पंढरी तुरायाची नगरी नगरी He wants you. Shh, don't disturb me. I am busy. Someone I was waiting for you. What are you doing? Your Majesty, I was drawing a picture. I see you like to see the picture. Here, Your Majesty, this is my picture. I see the picture. What you have drawn? Can you please explain? I was drawing a cow eating lots of grass. Lots of grass. I can't see any grass here. Ah, that's because the cow ate it up. And where the cow? After eating up all the grass, the cow walked away, Your Majesty. Ha ha ha! Someone you always make me laugh. ज्ञानोबा माऊली तुकाराम आधी रचिली पंढरी मग वैकुंठ नगरी आधी रचिली पंढरी मग वैकुंठ नगरी जीवनवत्या गोधा गंगा जीवनवत्या गोधा गंगा तेव्हा होती चंद्रभागा तेव्हा होती चंद्रभागा चंद्रभागेच्या तटी धन्य पंढरी गोमटी चंद्रभागेच्या तटी धन्य पंढरी गोमटी ज्ञानोबा माऊली तुकाराम ज्ञानोबा माऊली तुकाराम आधी रचिली पंढरी मग वैकुंठ नगरी आधी रचिली ही पंढरी मग वैकुंठ नगरी जीवनवती भूमंडल जीवनवती भूमंडल तेव्हा होती पंढरी मंडल तेव्हा होती पंढरी मंडल चंद्रभागेच्या तटी धन्य पंढरी गोमटी चंद्रभागेच्या तटी धन्य पंढरी गोमटी ज्ञानोबा माऊली तुकाराम ज्ञानोबा माऊली तुकाराम आधी रचिली पंढरी मग वैकुंठ नगरी आधी रचिली पंढरी मग वैकुंठ नगरी नामागमने वासली हरी नामागमने वासली हरी तिमी पाहिली पंढरी तिमी पाहिली पंढरी चंद्रभागेच्या तटी धन्य पंढरी गोमटी चंद्रभागेच्या तटी धन्य पंढरी गोमटी ज्ञानोबा माऊली तुकाराम ज्ञानोबा माऊली तुकाराम आधी रचिली पंढरी मग वैकुंठ नगरी आधी रचिली पंढरी मग वैकुंठ नगरी.
Two cats and monkey. Once there were two cats. They were good friends. They got a piece of bread. While sharing, they made big and small pieces. So they began to fight. For the bigger piece. At the same time, monkey saw them fighting. The monkey said, I will share it equally. त्याला द्या. He bite the bigger piece to make it equal. Again he bite the another piece to make it equal. Bit by bit he ate whole the bread. And went away happily. The poor cats lost the bread. Moral of the story, we must share to have what we have.
Listen to the music, statue of it, statue of it. Listen to the music, statue of it. Turn around, turn around. Listen to the music, turn around. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music, jump up. Everyone, my name is Swara Ravindra Rao, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I deliver a speech about the Maharashtrian zoo. Maharashtra is one of the states in India. It was established in 1st May 1960. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Its official language is Marathi. Mohan festival celebrating Maharashtra, but Ganesh Chaturthi is famous in Maharashtra. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Janvi Hemanta Kadam. I am a 5th standard class. Today I am look Assam woman look. Assam is the largest northeast state. It is famous for tea and silk. These are it is the Bihu is the most popular festival in Assam. Assami is the official language from Assam. Thank you.
My name is Suraj Vinayak Parwal. I am 5th standard class and I am speaking about few 5 lines information of Assam state. Assam is the northeastern state. It was famous for tea and silk. Dispur is the capital. Dispur is the state capital of the Assam state. Bihu is the most popular festival in Assam. Assamese is the official language of the state. Thank you. Punjab is a state in northwestern region of India. The state language of Punjabi. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab.
Punjab is great. Punjab is famous for gold stamps.
Lohri is the most popular festival in Punjab. Thank you. Respected teachers, principals, and all my dear friends. My name is Varun Shivaji Mamse. I speak few words about Gujarati and about Gujarat. It is located in western part of India. It was established in 1 May 1960. The capital of